Hi, this is Nancy, and I wanted to share with you a card kit that I put together. This is with the 49 in Market Botanical Buzz by Dennis Bruton. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous collection, and I'm showing you a piece of paper here. This is the 12 by 12 cut aparts, and if you know me, I love to take these types of products and make a 12 card collection. So I have done that with this kit. Presently this kit is available at Scrapmania in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and I will put the links down in my post and how you can reach it and reach them. But it's going to come with a full color direction kit. I guess that's what I would probably call it. It's got all the pictures of all the cards on there, and I tell you everything that you're going to need to do, how your card bases are going to be scored, how you're going to lay them out, how the measurements run, and then it has a full color guide. Okay, so every one of the cards here are going to be full color guides. So what you have to do is you need to have your basic supplies are going to be like a paper trimmer, a scoreboard to score your card base, scissors, and adhesive. And all you have to do is take your paper trimmer or scissors, however you decide to do a cut apart sheet, and do all the 12 cut aparts, the 3x4s. So that's the first thing you're going to do. And again, you could lay them in order of the directions if that's what you like, if easy for you to do, but actually take each one and lay them and do your directions. Okay, so that's the first thing that you need to do. This is kind of a nice background on there. I can use that. And so what you're going to get in your kit is you're going to get in your kit everything to do the project. Okay, so what I do, I see a piece of paper kind of sticking out, is I take each one of the cards, and they're labeled on your instructions, card 1, card 2, like that, and these are all in bags. All the pieces that you're going to need are here in the bags, okay, and they're marked 1 through 12. So you have all 12 bags with all the pieces, parts that you need in there. So I think that makes it relatively easy for you to put them together. Okay, so that's what you have to start with. Then you're also going to have in your kit is you're going to have 2 half sheets, because you don't need any more than the 6 inches. So I'm going to move the cards out of the way and make these. And you're going to have 2 half sheets of the washi. And this just easily peels off of there. And your instructions are going to tell you, I know for a fact, let's see, one of the first cards that I have here is card number 2. And card number 2, you're just going to peel, you're going to put the cards together. And in your instructions, I pretty much tell you that you're going to be layering your base paper. You're going to be layering, I'll pull this out of here. You have your card base scored. You're going to be layering your base paper. You're going to be layering then your mat for your 3x4 cut apart. You're going to adhere your 3x4 cut apart to the mat, and this happens to be for card number 1, I believe. Is that correct? I've got that in there correctly. Now I picked up 7, so this is 7. Okay, so this is card number 7 right here, and so it's going to be the blue background. It's going to have this card number 7 on there. Let me pull this apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So it's going to be this particular piece. So you've cut that, matted it on here, and you're going to be looking for the dot piece of washi. And what I do is I put the washi tape on this piece, wrap it around before I put it. That's your accent. And then you have this cute little doily piece that's going to go on underneath there. So it's all pretty self-explanatory when you get in there. So let's put all these back into their little envelope. So that was card number 7. And then there is an accessories pack. So you have one, it's called Accessories, and it's got items in there that the instructions will show you what to, will tell you what to do with, which are all like the nail heads. There's a fair amount of nail heads. You'll be able to, the pictures are very good for the nail heads for you. And then, just trying to see if I could find one real quickly of what you were supposed to do with the little pieces of paper. But you know, you have all the pieces of the accessory pieces that you're going to need, and it's in the instructions, which tells you right here that you've been provided with also a stamped sheet of sentiments. That way you can pick what other sentiment you want. These cards lend to lots of different occasions. So what I wanted to do is provide you with a type of sentiment sheet. This comes from Hero Arts that I pre-stamped for everybody, and that you can put them. And these little pieces of paper in here are for your mats for your sentiments. So you can mat your sentiments up there, or you may have something different that you want to use. But this is for your sentiments. So that's everything that comes in this kit, okay? So I will link this. It was a lot of fun. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous collection, and I had a great time putting these cards together. So I will link that in my post of where you can get this and all the deets, okay? Thanks a lot.